Hi guys!
Hi guys!
We're going to
Airplane!
Colorado. See you!
See you!
And Daddy?
Daddy! See you!
Hi guys! We're going to Denver! See you!
As we're boarding, we're going to board by zones. If you could remain seated and leave room for everybody that's boarding, we'd appreciate that.
Hello mga kahanash! Welcome sa day 1 ng ating Colorado trip. Kasama ang ating tropa, halina at samahan nyo kaming tuklasin ang ganda ng Colorado. From Fargo, we flew to Denver Airport via Frontier Airlines. Budget airline siya guys, and expect na mahigpit sila sa size ng personal bag. Dito sa US, libre ang personal bag as long as it fits sa measurements nila. Carry-on and check-in baggage on the other hand has its fees. Strollers and car seats is free to bring. Kailangan lang i-stow bago sumakay ng aircraft.
For those customers who live in the Denver area, welcome home. For those of you just visiting, we wish you a pleasant stay. On behalf of your crew and everyone on Team Frontier, thanks for traveling with us today.
Flight time to Denver from Fargo is 2 hours and 5 minutes. Medyo mahaba-haba na siya for me because of my toddler na mabilis mainip.
Punta ma'am. Pick up our luggage. Sabihin mo
pick up our luggages in carousel 7 or 8.
Okay. Ang laki ng airport. Wow, may train. Katulad sa Dubai, ang airport. Ang taray. Anak ko. Okay, bibidyo ka ni mami. Go. May mga train siya sa loob. Wow. Naman. Grabe, parang ibang mundo naman to. Show me! Oh, sorry! Welcome to Denver! Okay, so we're going to baggage claim. Naway, hindi ito yung last. Ang jacket ko nga pang ano yung ulan-ulan lang eh. Uy, tinapon na.
Apa 30 na yan?
Waiting for our shuttle para kuhain ng ano namin, rent-a-car. So, dito sa Denver Airport, meron silang designated na mga places para sa mga shuttle ng mga rent-a-car. So, medyo organized naman. Ganda. Ayun na. Nasa bus na kami ng shuttle. Going to our rental car.
As usual, we got our artista van para comfy ang travel. Sa laki nito, kasyang 15 persons.
No, ready na ba ang lahat?
Colorado is a western U.S. state. It has a diverse landscape of arid desert, river canyons, and snow-covered Rocky Mountains. Perched a mile above the sea level, Denver, Colorado's capital and largest city, features a vibrant downtown area. Today's itinerary after landing is dinner lang and rest kasi magiging busy kami sa tours sa mga susunod na araw. Bakit nga ba Colorado ang napili namin? Kasi guys, unang-una, mura ang plane ticket going to Denver, Colorado. Second, yung Banff, Canada na first na gusto naming puntahan is may yelo pa daw. So baka hindi namin ma-enjoy ang weather. Third cause, why not, 'di ba? Good night na mga kahanash. See you sa ating Day 2 of Colorado Trip 2024. Paalam!